What'd it do?
While you're up underneath that truck.
I feel like I'm moving in.
You're moving in where?
Underneath this truck.
I'm gonna clean up the interior of this truck because we're getting ready to put all the interior back in it. That's pretty much done as far as I've just went around and took some APC scrub brush and a rag and scrubbed the crap out of this interior of this truck. So it's ready. Now we're gonna take some 40 and try to clean up anything that's you know, some residue, like sticker residue. And then I'm probably gonna polish all the painted surfaces that I can see that won't be covered up by new interior pieces. All right, this is what I'm gonna use to try to clean up the interior. 40. I'm gonna show y'all what all I've been doing and scrubbing the crap out of this dash. And so just kind of cleaning up all the headliner or the roof. There was a lot of grime and gunk. Kind of looked like this, you know, but not as bad. It was like, you know, not real bad, but it was up here. Now it's all white. And now, come on to the dash. We'll take all these parts, try not to drop them and break them, and clean them up in the sink. We're gonna have to glue our dash cover onto the old dash pad. What I went ahead and did is knocked out some of the loose material that's on this dash right here. Took my knife and kind of knocked out some of this. And then I'm gonna clean it because we're gonna have to glue it. And so I needed to have a clean surface to glue to. All right, I bet this thing's ready. Blue, nice new dash pad. This is one from LMC. Show you what it looks like on here. This goes on just like that. All right, I'm gonna show y'all this trim right here. Right now what I'm doing is taping it off to where I can paint this outer part silver. Hit it with this perfect match, duple color. Yeah, the color I'm using is Galaxy Silver Met. But anyways, it's a Zhiyun factory color. We decided to paint these silver. They're the air vents. Hung them up here.